When reviewing your search query through OneSearch, you are going to see different things listed on your result page. These will be location of items, where you can refine your search query by availability, resource types, publication, dates, authors or the creator's subject types, the location, journal titles, the database used, or a specific language. Here in your search query, you are going to see the number of search results. You will see in your results what type of query it is. This one is an article. This one is a book. You will also see to the right of that particular search inquiry is the citation button, an email button, and then a save search button. This one will only be available if you're logged in. Just here are your favorites. You can also see here if the item is available online. So this one's an online access. You can also see if the item is available within the library. So this is a print copy available at SJSU Library, and it also gives you a call number. And as you view those, you can see the different types of access that you'll have